Good morning, and today I'm going to show you another trick in Excel. For example, I have a exchange rate table now here, and I make a title the same as um, the tab name. So normally I would just type in and make it the same. But what happened if suppose I change this later? I change it to currencies. Then it doesn't change together, and it's not so good. And suppose that I want to change other name, for example, just exchange rate. Then you have to type in again. This is not very good because it's not my task to remember some changes, but it's better to have the computer to remember for me. For this, I have a trick. To type in a formula. Of course, I make a shortcut to remember it, but you can type in by yourself. And know exactly which change according to this name. I just try to change it again. It will change automatically. Okay. It will change automatically. And I'm going to explain to you what the meaning of this formula. You press F2 and you can see the formula right here. And the keyword is cell file name here. And we should try to get what the meaning of that one. Okay. Cell file name. And you now find that actually it show the workbook name together with the worksheet name. And now my task here is actually to extract the part of the worksheet name and get rid of the workbook's name. And the keyword here is omit. This means that I would find the position of this character. From this character, and then we take the part from here all the end to the end of the line. And so I would find the position and take the mid, starting from the first character after this special character all the way to the end. But I don't know the length of this string, okay? So I just put 255. In fact, this means that I would go to the end of this string, of this line. So that a formula, of course, there's no need to understand the meaning. You just can type in this word, type in this formula, and again, I use the auto hotkey to remember the formula. And so in every new workbook that I find or a new worksheet that I find, I can always put in the formula for me. I use this name. Anyway, you can do whatever you want, and you get a sheet one. Okay, and this one I may say foreign currency. Will say my asset. Then we change the asset here. Then I can make it a bit bigger. Okay, and then make it a title. Normally I would make a background of a dark background with a light foreground, and that's it. And that's the title, and then you can type in your cash, your stocks, etc. Okay. Suppose that I want to change it later. Maybe I change it to total asset. I change the total assets. Then we change the total assets automatically. So they're always in line with the sheet name, and it's much, much nicer and well organized, and let the computer do the job for you. In fact, this information also good. You can consider to make it here at a footnote. So when you print out your file, then you know the location of your file in your computer. You don't need to search here and there. Okay. Thank you for listening to this track. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.